Hey, if you want to use voice typing on Xiaomi 17T Pro, first of all, you will have to manage this and enable some features in the settings. So open the settings, go for additional settings, open a language as an input. Now for a current keyboard, you have to select a Gboard, then go for the manage keyboards here. Make sure that Google Voice Typing is enabled and open it. What you can do, turn off that block offensive words filter. You have to select the main language of the voice typing, very useful. It's necessary actually, so pick yours. On mine it's already selected because it's the default of the phone. Click to add a language if you want to use it offline, because what is very important that when you are not connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data, then the voice typing is not going to work. So if you want to make some notes offline, it's necessary to download this language pack. And then you can also enable updates for mobile and the Wi-Fi. And when you go for the advanced settings, you can see if your language pack is already downloaded. If something is wrong and it's not working, you can uninstall and download it one more time by going here. Now, when you go back from this one, we have to go for a Gboard settings. Now go for the voice typing, click on this switcher. Now enable also that faster voice typing, very useful. And right now, you will have to open your keyboard anywhere and search for this microphone icon. Now when you tap on it, you can get this notification that you're gonna allow Gboard, so this is the Google keyboard, to get access for your microphone. And now as you can see, it's working properly. It's recognized everything that I'm gonna say right now. And if there's like a problem and it's not working properly, you have to make sure that you are gonna restart your phone or update the software.